Hi guys, it's me again, and this is the last time I'm gonna do resin for a while, so here they are. Here's that one. And my husband did this one. And here's this one. I really like this one. It's like blood splatters. Lighting is awful. I'm trying to see if I can get another light on. Okay, I think I got another light on. Awesome. Let's see if this works. Alright, somehow this might not work. Here's this. There. It's like blood splatter. Here's this one. Thank you, Wayne. And I made this one as a set. It's blue and magenta. So there are those. My husband also did this one. Here's that one. I'm not too happy about it because Tinkerbell's head is all the way up here. Here's this one. Angry Birds. More Angry Birds. I just need a gloss on, that's all. There's this one. There's this kitty. It's dirty. This one. There's this one. A chocolate donut. Little milk. I really like that one. I'm gonna turn this one into a ring. And this one too, those other milks. Or juice. Whatever they are. There's this kitty cat. They're all full of like dust and glitter because I haven't really cleaned them up yet. Here's Snow White and the Witch. Got 3 more. Here's this one. And Cinderella. And then a bunny donut. And that's pretty much all of them. Next time I do an update, I'm gonna do some clay because I haven't done it in a while. So see.